So it is got corrupted my cluster, so I am removing my the executable file. I am pasting it one more my new executable file here. Okay. So I'm removing from this. So I'm adding again file. Open. I'm going to do some actual missions 0240 10240 processor. I'm going to show. Okay, let it run in the background. Okay, so first copy this. Okay, so my Hyderabad file, this belongs to usually C. Okay, this is one file, and I have a. Okay, I will tell you the importance of this file after some time. Now put it here. This thing. Let us example remove this. Okay. Forget about this file. Okay, forget about this. I don't want that file. Now this is my file. So my first three employees are belongs to my Hyderabad branch. Okay, my first three employees are belongs to this Hyderabad branch. Okay, these are belongs to this branch. Now I have another set of employees. Those are belongs to some another branch. These two employees are belongs to some other branch. Okay, these are belongs to this branch. And now I have a Pune branch also. I have a some other people. These people are this one. Okay, they belongs to this one. Now I need to load the data. Okay, my file. This file name is called some Hyderabad.txt. Hyderabad.txt, and this one is called Bangalore.txt, for example, and this one is called Pune.txt. This is my file. So as I am running a business, so I will get the records. It is just an employee table I am taking. But if you take some real-time example, you can say some transactions, business transactions, daily customers transactions. Okay, so obviously you will get the data daily. Okay, so there every branch is going to be sending the data daily, frequently. So I need to load the data into Hive, and it is going to be created according to the partition. Suppose if I want the Hyderabad related data, I can easily fetch. Okay, by giving branch equal to Hyderabad, I can easily fetch, because my table, I am going to create the table like this. Create table table name is some emp underscore par. This is whatever the name you want, you can give it. Just for my understanding, I am giving par underscore partition. Okay. So, but you can you like when you are working in some project, they have some project specific names. Okay, don't considering and don't consider that whatever you want you can give it. This is a syntax. Okay. Now I am going to give employee number as a string, employee name as a string, and salary as a string, and sex is a salary is not a string. Salary is a int, and sex is string. And another thing, department number, DEPT number is also a string you can consider. Now my row is okay. It is partitioned by branch. So branch is also a one column in the table, but whereas if it comes to HDFS, it is a directory. Whereas if it comes to HDFS file, it is a directory, but in the table, it is a column. If it comes into table, it is a column. Now again, it is a row format, delimited fields terminated by comma. Okay, this is my table. So that as soon as you created this table, first it's going to be created up to emp underscore par. Okay, but I have given the table name. Just consider that emp is a emp underscore par. Okay, for example, I have just given you that, but in place of emp, it is going to be created emp underscore par. Okay, so that is how it is going to be stored. The data I will show you how it is going to be stored. So let me first enter into whether it is working or not. So my cluster is down today. Something happened. Someone. Okay. Sorry. My name node is working. Everything. My HUI is not working. Sincerely, Bureau for observe and communicate. So I will try to restart it. I will do one thing. I will tell you the admin concept now. If you face any real time issues, how you can debug it. Okay, I'm getting some cluster issue. So I'm going to do some different approach. If you want to do that, let me assign some 14 GB RAM to my machine. So 14 into 1400, I'm going to do. What happened? It is not accepting. Recommended. Sure. Now I'm going to increase from 14,000. Now I will try to play it. See, my view is not working and my hive is not working. So maybe if I will log in into the Cloudera manager, I will try to restart. What is going to be happen? I will see. So in your real time also, sometimes you will get some issues, but those issues will be taken care by your admin. But if it is a small cluster, you are doing any POCs, not projects, they will give you entire access to your cluster. You need to debug it. So how you can debug is, I'll show you how you can do it. Hey Girish, are you saying something?
No, no.
Hey Sandeep, are you getting me what I'm trying to do?
Yeah, didn't get you.
Yes, Sandeep. Yeah, actually, my cluster is not working. My view on the hive is also not working. I am debugging why it is not working. Yeah, can you please go into mute? I'm getting sound from you.
Hello.
Yeah, hello?
Hmm.
Girish, are you saying something? No, actually, this is not working. Why? I'm debugging why it is not working. See, it is happening for me almost from 2 or 3 times. Usually, I am uninstalling entire thing and again I'm installing. So today I will show you why it is happening. We will find out. We will figure it out why it is happening for always in all time.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm going to. Cloud manager. If it is our luck, it will create it. We'll see. See, so the Cloudera manager is, it is like controlling all your cluster. Like if you want to restart Hive Metastore, Hive servers, Pig servers, Scoop servers, everything you can restart it through the Cloudera manager. Okay, so I'm trying to do. So you understood, yes, this theory. Practically we need to do it, then only you can understand clearly what is the partition. Okay, see why we are going to go for partition is, it is a performance. See, usually in RDBMS what is going to be happen, um, suppose I have some 10 GB data for all the branches data, I don't have a partition. Okay, all Bangalore data, Bangalore branch data, Hyderabad data, Pune data, so every data is in single table. Okay, and I don't have any partitions. Now if I want to search for some data, if suppose I need some Hyderabad branch details, all the employees details, so my query what it will do is, it will scan entire table. I have some 1 lakh records, and among the 1 lakh records I have 1,000 records from Hyderabad branch. So what it is going to be happening is, it is going to read entire table. It is going to be reading entire table. So obviously it will take so much time to fetch the result. Whereas if you go for partition table here, when you are searching for some Hyderabad data, it will only search in the Hyderabad directory partition. Automatically by default it is going to be searching here. Okay, it is going to be searching here in this particular partition. It will be searching in this particular partition. It is going to be searching only particulars. This is okay, this is my partition. It will search in those partition. So obviously the time is going to be reduced. Yes, obviously the time is going to be reduced. You got it what I'm trying to say? Instead of searching in all the data, it will directly pointing to the Hyderabad branch data and it will search it. Are you getting me, Sandeep or Ankur? I think Girish already knows about this concept.
I think I understand.
Yeah, once we do practical, you can easily get it. Yeah, what about Sandeep? Yeah, yes. Yeah, once we'll get into there, we can easily get the idea. Cloudera manager is not starting, man. Our system is not sufficient to do this. It is not accepting. It is taking so much time. So today my clusters, maybe I need to work on this tomorrow. Where- Here we need to have a launching Cloudera Express. Wait for some time. This center to exit. For our cloud administrators, our RAM is not sufficient. Actually, it needs some 10 or 12 GB. I even assigned some more than 13 GB. I don't know, still it is running because so many components are there in this package. That is why it is getting very
No
slow.
problem. If need, we can do it tomorrow.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, no problem. If need, we can do it tomorrow. We will continue it tomorrow.
Yeah.
So are we confirmed to cancel
Actually,
the session for the day?
yeah, we'll start from tomorrow. It is not working. I will ready for I will I will make it ready for tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, and it'll be tomorrow at 11? Or I'm sorry, will it be
No,
1.5
tomorrow
hour
will
only?
be no. Tomorrow will be 9:30 only because actually I got stuck in office today.
Okay.
That is why I was unable to come early. Like I was stuck with some scoop issue in our Hadoop. We have a one scoop is there.
Okay.
Yeah, I was trying to import the data from Teradata to Hadoop, not through the scoop, some Teradata connector. The job is continuously running. I was worked out, but the job is not ending even for 1.5 hour, 2 hours, even two
I
and a
see.
half hours. I even it is some small data only. Even it is not even 100 MB, but I don't know why it is taking such a long time. So I was struck with that issue. That was also I have some calls, so I was unable to come.
I see. Okay. But tomorrow it will start early.
Yes,
Okay. All right.
yeah.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
రాము గారు ఉన్నారా?
గిరీష్,
యా, మార్నింగ్ ఎన్నింటికి క్లాస్ ఉన్నాయా అసలు? ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ 6-7 ఆ టైంలో చెప్తున్నారా లేదా?
6:30కి ఉందో క్లాస్. అది స్కూప్.
స్కూపా? ఓకే. ఓకే సార్.
ఏనవుతా 6:30కి?
స్కూప్ మరి అది అడ్వాన్స్ లాగా ఉంది కదా.